and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by name Folashade Mercy Aduele, and I'm the creative director of Fancy Empire. Yes, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more updates on our free training. Like, we cover so many things on do it yourself. So once you subscribe, just click on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get updates on our coming videos. So now today I'm going to teach you how to tie a simple gele on yourself. Doesn't waste time. In 2 minutes you are done. What is 2 minutes? Let me just say in 2 minutes you are done with it, and people will be wowing you in your event. So let's get started. So this is the gele we are using for today, and I assume that the length of this gele is 100. The whole length I assume is 100. So I'll divide the gele into two. That is 50-50, which is 2 equal halves. So I divide it into 2 equal halves, and I locate the center. Hear what I say? I divide into 2, I locate the center. This is the center. So for this center, I hold it like this. Then I form my plate. Watch how I form my plate. So this is the center of the gele. I do it like this. See, I bring the whole gele to this place. Then I fold it in. See what I did? I put it to my leg and fold it in. After folding it in, I create another plate on it. Elongate it to this side and elongate it to this side too. Can you see what I'm doing? So I continue to create my plate. I want just 4 plates, and I make sure the plates are equal. Then there's the last one. I form my plate. So this is it. So I bring this edge close to each other. I drag it. See what I'm doing? Then I bring this edge too on top of each other and drag it so that it will not alter when I'm taking it to my head. So the next thing I will do now is to take it to my head. Can you see it? So I use this part of my head to hold it tight, and then continue to elongate my plate. Take it to the back. See it? Take it to the back. Then for these two, I arrange my plates well and take it to the back. Since they are two equal, they are equal. I don't need to. I can put anyone under and I can place anyone on top. This is what I do. Pack everything. Can you see? This is it. Then I roll this side. After rolling it, I place it there. And I use my pin to hold it down. You see? I pin it down. So it's pinned to the gele now. So this one too, I roll it. I've rolled it, then I use it to cross this. You see what I did? Cross it. Just watch what I'm doing. See that it's not difficult. Crossing it, then I form my rose. See, I divide it into 2. See it? Then I pin it down. Yeah. See, the two edges. Then for this at the center, I just form another rose with it. And then pin it down. And our gele is ready. See? So, and that is it. While you're waiting your own practical visit, I'm ready for my occasion. I'm ready to go to church. Is it? And this is it. Thanks for watching. I would like to see your own practical on my Facebook page, Simple Empire. Thank you.